हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू सेल्फ स्टडी। मैं यहाँ पे कंप्यूटर के 500 क्वेश्चन की सीरीज लेके आई हूँ जो कि आपके कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम के लिए काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहेगी। ये सीरीज का पार्ट 3 है जिसमें कि कंप्यूटर के 50 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जो हैं वो इंक्लूड किए गए हैं। ये वो क्वेश्चंस हैं जो कि प्रीवियस एग्जाम में बार बार पूछे जाते हैं और ये क्वेश्चन एग्जाम से पहले आपके क्विक रिवीजन में भी काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहेंगे। और अगर आपने इस सीरीज के प्रीवियस पार्ट्स नहीं देखे हैं तो आप उन्हें प्लेलिस्ट में जाके चेक कर सकते हैं। वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले वीडियो को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। तो चलिए चलते हैं अपने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन की ओर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज द रेक्टेंगुलर एरिया ऑफ द स्क्रीन दैट डिस्प्लेज अ प्रोग्राम डाटा एंड इंफॉर्मेशन इज अ ऑप्शन नंबर ए टाइटल बार, बी बटन, सी डायलॉग बॉक्स, डी विंडो। The correct answer of this question is option number D, window. Question number 2. All of the following terms are associated with spreadsheet software except option A. Worksheet, B. Cell, C. Formula, D. Virus detection. The correct answer of this question is option number D. Virus detection. Question number 3. A word in a web page that when clicked open another document is called option A. Anchor, B. Hyperlink, C. Reference, D. URL. The correct answer of this question is option number B. Hyperlink. Question number 4. Encryption and decryption are functions of option A. Transport layer, B. Session layer, C. Presentation layer, D. All of the above. The correct answer of this question is option number C. Presentation layer. Question number 5. In OSI network architecture, the routing is performed by option A. Network layer, B. Data link layer, C. Transport layer, D. Session layer. The correct answer of this question is option number A. Network layer. Question number 6. Pathway that support communication among the various electronic components on the system board are called option A. Bus lines, B. Gateways, C. Network line, D. Logic paths. The correct answer of this question is option number A. Bus lines. Question number 7. Servers are computers that provide resources to other computers connected to a option A. Network, B. Supercomputer, C. Mainframe, D. Client. The correct answer of this question is option number A. Network. Question number 8. The capacity of a communication channels is measured in option A. Bandwidth, B. Baud rate, C. Data flow, D. Bit capacity. The correct answer of this question is option number A. Bandwidth. Question number 9. At which layer TCP/IP defines two protocols? One is Transmission Control Protocol TCP and another one is User Datagram Protocol UDP. Option A is Transport Layer, B. Application Layer, C. Network Layer, D. Physical Layer. The correct answer of this question is option number A. Transport Layer. एंड जो यूडीपी होता है वो हमारा कनेक्शन लेस प्रोटोकॉल होता है और जो टीसीपी है वो कनेक्शन ओरिएंटेड प्रोटोकॉल है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. द टेलीफोन लाइन इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ डैश सिग्नल. ऑप्शन ए एनालॉग, बी मॉड्यूलेटेड, सी डीमॉड्यूलेटेड, डी डिजिटल. द करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए एनालॉग. Question number 11. What is the function of modem? Option A. Encryption and decryption. B. Converts data to voice. C. Converts analog signal to digital and vice versa. Option D. Serves as a hardware antivirus. The correct answer of this question is option number C. Converts analog signal to digital and vice versa. And modem stand for modulation demodulation. Question number 12. Every node on the network is connected through a central device is called dash topology. Option A. Ring, B. Bus, C. Star, D. Mesh. The correct answer of this question is option number C. Star. Question number 13. The OSI model is divided into how many layers? Option A. 5, B. 6, C. 7, D. 8. The correct answer of this question is option number C. 7. Question number 14. Which of the following cables can transmit data at high speeds? Option A. Flat cables, B. Optic fiber cable, C. Coaxial cable, D. Twisted pair cable. The correct answer of this question is option number C. Coaxial cable. And ऑप्टिकल फाइबर केबल, कोएक्सियल केबल, ट्विस्टेड पेयर केबल जो है वो हमारे गाइडेड मीडिया के एग्जांपल्स हैं. Question number 15. One can transmit and other can receive is called option A. Network, B. Full duplex, C. Half duplex, D. Simplex. The correct answer of this question is option number D. Simplex. एंड जो हाफ डुप्लेक्स होता है उसमें हम डाटा जो है दोनों साइड से सेंड कर सकते हैं, बट एक ही टाइम पे या तो हम सेंड कर सकते हैं या तो हम रिसीव कर सकते हैं। और फुल डुप्लेक्स में जो है हम दोनों साइड में डाटा सेंड कर सकते हैं, बट एक ही टाइम पे हम सेंड भी कर सकते हैं और रिसीव भी कर सकते हैं। जो सिंप्लेक्स है उसका एग्जाम्पल है हमारा टेलीविजन, एंड हाफ डुप्लेक्स के एग्जाम्पल है वॉकी टॉकी, एंड फुल डुप्लेक्स का एग्जाम्पल है हमारे मोबाइल फोन्स। Question number 16. What does SNMP stand for? Option A. Simple Network Mail Protocol. B. Single Network Message Protocol. C. Single Network Mail Protocol. D. Simple Network Management Protocol. The correct answer of this question is option number D. Simple Network Management Protocol. Question number 17. Which device connects LAN to Internet? Option A. HTML. B. Router. C. Bridge. D. Switch. The correct answer of this question is option number B. Router. Question number 18. A communications processor that connects dissimilar network by providing the translation from one set of protocol to another is option A. Bridge. B. Gateway. C. Modern. D. Router. The correct answer of this question is option number B. Gateway. Gateway जो होता है वो हमारे टू डिफरेंट नेटवर्क्स को कनेक्ट करने के लिए यूज होता है। Question number 19. Fourth layer of OSI reference model is option A. Physical layer. B. Data link layer. C. Network layer. D. Transport layer. The correct answer of this question is option number D. Transport layer. Question number 20. What is the use of compiler? Option A. Translates high level language to lower level language. B. Convert Word document to PDF document. C. Translate machine level to object level language. या D. None. The correct answer of this question is option number A. Translates high level language to lower level language. Question number 21. In SQL, TCL stands for option A. Transmission Control Language. B. Transaction Central Language. C. Ternary Control Language. D. Transaction Control Language. The correct answer of this question is option number D. Transaction Control Language. And SQL stand for Structured Query Language. Question number 22. SIP, DSCP and DNS are which layer protocol of OSI model? Option A. Presentation layer. B. Transport layer. C. Application layer. D. Session layer. The correct answer of this question is option number C. Application layer. Question number 23. In ER diagram, attributes is represented by option A. Rectangle. B. Ellipse. C. Square. D. Double rectangle. The correct answer of this question is option number B. Ellipse के थ्रू जो है हम attribute को represent करते हैं. Question number 24. The number of tuples in a relation is termed as option A. Cardinality. B. Entity. C. Column. D. None of these. The correct answer of this question is cardinality. Option A is the right answer of this question. और जो डिग्री होती है वो कॉलम्स को रिप्रेजेंट करती है. Question number 25. Which of the following is not a data definition language statement? Option A. Delete. B. Create. C. Drop. D. Rename. The correct answer of this question is option number A. Delete. Delete जो है वो हमारी data manipulation language है. Question number 26. Dash is mainly responsible for allocating the resources as per process requirement. Option A. RAM. B. Compiler. C. Operating system. D. Software. The correct answer of this question is option number C. Operating system जो होता है वो resource management के लिए responsible होता है. Question number 27. Default port for HTTP is option A. 23. B. 80. C. 21. D. 30. The correct answer of this question is option number B. 80. एंड जो हमारा DNS होता है उसका पोर्ट नंबर होता है 53, और जो हमारा IP होता है उसका पोर्ट नंबर है 50, और SMTP का पोर्ट नंबर है 25, और टेलनेट का जो पोर्ट नंबर है वो है 23. Question number 28. Which bridge work at which layer of OSI model? Option A. Network layer. B. Data link layer. C. Physical layer. D. Application layer. The correct answer of this question is option B. Data link layer. और फिजिकल लेयर में जो है हमारे रिपीटर्स एंड हब जो है वो यूज होते हैं. Question number 29. A linked list that has no beginning and no end is called option A. Doubly linked list, B. Singly linked list, C. Circular linked list, या D. None of these. The correct answer of this question is option number C. Circular linked list. Question number 30. Which of the following is a protocol data units of layer 2? Option A. Bits, B. Segments, C. Packets, D. Frames. The correct answer of this question is option number D. Frames. Question number 31. A number of letters that appears little below the normal text is called option A. Superscript, B. Supertext, C. Subscript, D. Subtext. The correct answer of this question is subscript. और जो लेटर जो है नॉर्मल टेक्स्ट से ऊपर उठे हुए होते हैं उन्हें हम सुपरस्क्रिप्ट कहते हैं. Question number 32. The word wrap features option A. Automatically move text to the next line when necessary. B. Appears at the bottom. C. Allows you to type over text. D. Is the short horizontal line. The correct answer of this question is option number A. Automatically move text to the next line when necessary. Question number 33. Computer language COBOL is appropriate for which? Option number A. Graphic purpose, B. Scientific purpose, C. Commercial purpose, D. All. The correct answer of this question is option number C. Commercial purpose. And COBOL stand for Common Business Oriented Language. और साइंटिफिक पर्पस के लिए जो है हमारी फॉर्ट्रैन यूज होती है. फॉर्ट्रैन स्टैंड फॉर फॉर्मूला ट्रांसलेशन. Question number 34. Which protocol is used to convert IP addresses to MAC addresses? Option A. IP, B. RARP, C. URL, D. ARP. The correct answer of this question is option number D. ARP, Address Resolution Protocol, and MAC stand for Media Access Control. Question number 35. What is a technique used to gain unauthorized access to a computer whereby the intruder sends messages to a computer with an address indicating that the message is coming from a trusted host? Option A. Identity theft, B. Hacking, C. IP spoofing, D. phishing. तो इसको हम जो है IP spoofing कहते हैं. Question number 36. Which of the following languages defines commands grant and revoke? Option A. DDL, B. DML, C. DCL, D. TCL. The correct answer of this question is option number C. DCL. Question number 37. The software that is used to create text-based document is referred as option A. DBMS, B. Spreadsheets, C. Presentation software, D. Word processor. The correct answer of this question is option number D. Word processor. Question number 38. A parity bit is option A. Used to indicate uppercase letters, B. The last bit in a byte, C. The first bit in a byte, या D. Used to detect errors. The correct answer of this question is option number C. The first bit in a byte. Question number 39. How many bits per symbol are used in a border code? Option A. 5, B. 7, C. 9, D. 11. The correct answer of this question is option number A. 5. Question number 40. If you want to secure a message, use a dash. Option A. Cryptology source, B. Encryption key, C. Decryption key, D. Crypto system. The correct answer of this question is option number D. Crypto system के थ्रू जो है हम मैसेज को सिक्योर करते हैं. Question number 41. The scrambling of code is known as option A. Encryption, B. Firewalling, C. Scrambling, D. Password proofing. The correct answer of this question is option number A. Encryption. Question number 42. Web pages are written using option A. FTP, B. HTTP, C. HTML, D. URL. The correct answer of this question is option number C. HTML. Question number 43. Technology used to provide internet by transmitting data over wires of telephone network is option A. Transmitter, B. Diodes, C. HHL, D. DSL. The correct answer of this question is DSL. डिजिटल सब्सक्राइबर लाइन का यूज जो है टेलीफोन नेटवर्क्स में होता था. इसके थ्रू जो होता था या तो पर्सन कॉल ही अटेंड कर सकता था या तो फिर इंटरनेट ही चला सकता था। इसी ड्रॉबैक को दूर करने के लिए ISDN का यूज हुआ था, इंटीग्रेटेड सर्विसेज डिजिटल नेटवर्क। Question number 44. In which of the following form data is stored in computer? Option A decimal, B binary, C hexadecimal, D octal. The correct answer of this question is option number B binary. Question number 45. A normal compiler takes source code as input and produces this as output. Option A assembly code, B machine code, C object code, D all of these. The correct answer of this question is option number C object code. Compiler जो है source code को object code में convert करता है. Question number 46. Which of the following is not operating system? Option A Windows NT, B Java, C DOS, D Unix. The correct answer of this question is option number B Java. Java जो है operating system नहीं है, ये एक programming language है. Question number 47. What is the purpose of control plus home key? Option A, it will denote double line spacing. B, it will double underline. C, will take the user to the end of a line. D, it will take the user at the very beginning of a document. The correct answer of this question is option number D. It will take the user at the very beginning of a document. And control plus end key के through जो है हम document के बिल्कुल end में चले जाते हैं. Question number 48. When a logic bomb is activated by a time-related event, it is known as a option number A. Time-related bomb sequence. B. Virus. C. Time bomb. D. Trojan horse. The correct answer of this question is option number C. Time bomb. Question number 45. Laser printer is a type. Sorry. Question number 49. Laser printer is a type of. Option number A, impact printer, B, non-impact printer, C, both of above, D, none of the above. The correct answer of this question is option number B, non-impact printer. Laser printers जो होते हैं वो हमारे non-impact printer होते हैं. Question number 50. Which of the following memories is an optical memory? Option A, floppy disk, B, bubble memories, C, CD-ROM, D, core memories. The correct answer of this question is option number C, CD-ROM. तो यहाँ पे जो हमारे आज के 50 क्वेश्चन है वो कंप्लीट होते हैं। और अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज वीडियो को लाइक से या सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू एंड स्टे ट्यून्ड।